Imagine this. Your security information and event management or SIEM system is flashing red. Thousands of alerts bombard your security team. You are drowning in data. But are you seeing the real threats? This is the harsh reality for many organizations in 2025. The threat landscape is evolving faster than ever. Cyber criminals are using sophisticated tactics. They exploit the smallest vulnerabilities. Traditional security solutions are struggling to keep up. The result? Organizations are flying blind. They are vulnerable to devastating breaches. This is where a robust SIEM solution comes in. A SIEM is not just a nice-to-have, it is essential for survival in today's threat environment. But choosing the right SIEM is critical. Two names consistently dominate the conversation: Splunk and ELK, which stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Both are powerful tools. They offer a range of features for security monitoring and threat detection, but which one is the right fit for your organization's needs and budget? Splunk and ELK represent two distinct approaches to SIEM. Splunk is a commercial all-in-one platform. It is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful analytics capabilities. ELK, on the other hand, is an open-source stack. It offers flexibility and customization. This makes it a popular choice for organizations with specific needs. To understand which solution reigns supreme, we will compare them across three key areas: performance, scalability, and total cost of ownership, and ecosystem and integrations. Performance. How effectively do they handle real-time threat intelligence? Scalability and total cost of ownership. Can they grow with your organization without breaking the bank? Ecosystem and integrations. How well do they play with your existing security tools? By examining these factors, we can help you make an informed decision. This will empower your organization to effectively combat modern cyber threats. The digital world is relentless. It operates at breakneck speed. Cybersecurity must keep pace. This is where real-time threat intelligence becomes paramount. We are no longer dealing with isolated incidents. Cyber attacks are now complex, multi-stage operations. Think of them as coordinated assaults on your digital assets. Every second counts. The ability to analyze security data in real time is no longer optional. It is essential for effective threat detection and response. Delayed insights translate to vulnerabilities. They give attackers the upper hand. A robust SIEM solution must ingest, normalize, and analyze massive volumes of data from various sources. It must do this in real time. This allows your security team to identify and respond to threats as they emerge, not hours or days later when the damage is already done. Section 4. Performance Face-Off, Splunk's Power versus ELK's Agility. When it comes to real-time analytics, both Splunk and ELK have their strengths. Splunk excels in processing high volumes of data with minimal latency, making it ideal for large organizations with complex IT environments. Splunk's pre-built dashboards and reports provide immediate insights, simplifying threat detection and incident response. Its robust search capabilities allow analysts to quickly pinpoint anomalies and investigate suspicious activities. ELK, while capable of handling real-time data, may require more fine-tuning and optimization. Its open-source nature provides flexibility, but this comes at the cost of increased complexity. Experienced security professionals can leverage ELK's flexibility to create custom dashboards and alerts tailored to their specific needs. However, this requires a higher level of technical expertise compared to Splunk. Section 5. The price of security, scalability, and cost considerations. Security is an investment, not an expense. But, budget constraints are a reality for every organization. When it comes to scalability and cost, Splunk and ELK take different paths. Splunk's licensing model is based on data ingestion volume, which can be expensive for organizations generating large amounts of log data. However, Splunk's ease of use and comprehensive features can lead to cost savings by reducing the need for extensive customization and support. ELK, being open source, offers significant cost savings up front. Organizations only need to invest in the infrastructure and resources required to run the stack, making ELK an attractive option for startups and budget-conscious organizations. However, as data volume grows, so too does the complexity and cost of managing ELK. Organizations need to factor in the cost of skilled personnel needed for ongoing maintenance, optimization, and troubleshooting. Section 6. Playing well with others. Ecosystem and integrations. No CM solution exists in isolation. A critical aspect of their effectiveness lies in their ability to seamlessly integrate with your existing security ecosystem, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, threat intelligence platforms, and more. Splunk shines in this area with a mature ecosystem and a vast library of integrations, allowing it to ingest and correlate data from a wide range of sources. Splunk's App Store offers a plethora of pre-built integrations, simplifying the process of connecting with popular security tools. ELK, while not as extensive as Splunk, has a growing ecosystem of integrations. Its open-source nature fosters a strong community that actively develops and shares plugins and connectors. However, finding and implementing the right integrations for your specific needs may require more effort compared to Splunk. Organizations need to carefully evaluate their existing security stack to ensure that ELK can effectively integrate with their critical tools. Section 7. Choosing your weapon, finding the right CM fit. In the 2025 CM Showdown, there is no clear winner. The choice between Splunk and ELK depends on your organization's specific needs, resources, and risk tolerance. Splunk is a powerhouse offering unmatched performance, ease of use, and a comprehensive ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for organizations that prioritize efficiency and require a solution that can handle massive data volumes. However, its licensing model can be a barrier for some. ELK, the agile underdog, provides flexibility and cost-effectiveness, allowing organizations to tailor their CM to their exact specifications, making it an attractive option for organizations with specific requirements. However, ELK demands a higher level of technical expertise and requires ongoing investment in maintenance and optimization. Ultimately, the best SIEM is the one that aligns with your organization's security posture, budget, and long-term goals. Consider your team's skills and experience, assess your data volume and growth projections, and evaluate your integration needs. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the right CM solution to empower your organization to effectively combat the ever-evolving threat landscape.